vision, which means processing, branding, and exporting. Youth skilling in entrepreneurship, very, very important. So migration is a choice, it is not a compulsion. Friends, earlier budgets have failed, and I'm not blaming them. I'm not saying that they were wrong to do it or they did not plan it better. Intentions, I'm not saying were wrong, but the delivery systems were very weak. So what at the center, what has been done under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji is that the delivery systems have become so much better and leakage free. So 2014, you all know, and I want to give a small perspective. It's important for us to give you the overall, the vision that we started with Jam Trinity, Jandhan Yojana, Aadhaar, and mobile telephony. Wherever I go in the interiors, and even whether it was a boatman or the chai wala, and I love the lal chai here, everybody had the UPI, and I could pay through my phone, and I think that's huge because everybody is connected. So if you look at overall in India, what the central welfare schemes have done,